Welcome YouTubers. Today I'm going to show you how to create a free blogger using Google Blogger. So first I just sign up my Gmail account and you can see there's a few dots there and I say click the few dots and here you go. Now you can see there is a icon called Blogger, so I click that and okay, it's direct to Blogger, draft Blogger, right? And in here, so you can see there's a icon called create blog. Just click and it has title. Okay, let's say test code. So that's my title. And next, I paste here, so you have to say choose URL. You have to choose the URL to your blogspot. Sorry, this blog address is not someone takes, so it is called okay. Now this blog address is available. Okay, now I just click the save button. Yes, there we go. Now we successfully create our blog. So this is your blogspot link, and so you can see the status, so you can check who are the followers, what are the posts, and how many people read your post and commented your post, and then you can add Google AdSense to this blog. You can create pages, you can check layouts, you can edit themes. Let's say I want, I like this one is pretty. No, I think that's all better. Okay, you can see once I change it, it's automatically changed, and you can click and we just click. You can view your blog by clicking view blog. So just click. Here you go, and you can create a new post. You can create a new post button, and here you go. And put title, type test, and inside this you will type your SEO article in here. So type by test like that. Okay, let's load dummy article. So that's good. Okay, now I create this one. Oops. Paste. There we go. So you can add backlinks. You can create links, add inside videos, or you can upload images. Okay, I'll show you how to upload images. And okay, now you can see here you go. This one is better. I upload. Okay, now let's create extra large and test, and you can add labels and permalink, so you can choose custom permalink. You can create test. So it shows you date and the month, year and the month, and location. You can see where the location. Option there is readers can comment, allow, don't allow, so just whatever you can see, and just click the public. After that, once I refresh this, okay, good. Now you can see this is your article. You can see this very nice, and you can comment and just wish, and you can put a notification to comment people what happened here. That comment, once you comment you can get notification about you comment about this entire comments. So you can search. Yeah, pretty decent. It's like actually a blogger is like near to WordPress, but it not better than WordPress because some certain areas still developing. So if you want to need a blog for cheap price, this is the best place. And you can I forget to say, you can in settings you can connect your own custom domain. Okay, I'll show you. Data monetization. Publishing. Here you go, custom domain. So you can add custom domains. So you can buy domains from Google Domains, and you can add that domains to your this blog site, or you can use GoDaddy, Hostinger, whatever domain provider, and get a domain, purchase domain, and connect to your blog spots. So this is the basic thing about how to create blogger. And thank you for watching. If you learned something new, please share this video.